Hi everyone, welcome back to Homemade by Jenny. Today I will be making tacos with nachos as well. I'm gonna also be making a couple salsa because we have a work event tomorrow. It's a work potluck. So I was gonna make a meaty cheesy taco dip and a corn and mango salsa. So because I'm making it for tomorrow, I decided we're just also gonna use the same ingredients for dinner tonight as well. So let me show you the ingredients we'll be using today. I have here ground beef, some grated cheese, so it's just a mix of cheese, some of the blue corn tortillas there, the cream cheese, cilantro, onion, lime, shallot, jalapeños, tomatoes, corn, and of course the mango. And I also have a kit because we like using the softened or taco shells for dinner. So I have all the ingredients here to show you what I'll be using because I'm filming and trying to prep at the same time. So I will just start prepping the ingredients, and once I get to the portion where I'm mixing and putting the ingredients together, I will film and show you. I basically just clean my vegetable here and wash them and just leave them in the colander. And now I'm gonna start the prep work. As you can see here, I got the tomato shallots, the jalapeno pepper, I got the white pepper, the red onions. So I'm gonna start with the Pico de Gallo, which is just basically a tomato salsa, but I'm using shallots, tomatoes, jalapeno, and cilantro, and I'm also gonna use lime and salt. So I'm gonna prep it, and then when I'm at the stage where I'm mixing, I will show you. Okay, I just wanted to show you what I'm doing right now. I'm just dicing up tomatoes, and what I did is I just cut the tomatoes in quarter, remove all the seeds, and then I'm just making it into a fine dice like this. Okay, now that I've got my jalapeno minced up and my cilantro cut, I'm actually gonna add the seasoning now. I'm just gonna do about, I would say 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt here. Actually, let's make it a teaspoon because we got quite a bit of tomatoes and stuff. And I got some olive oil here. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on top. And then now it's gonna be the pepper. I will have to put this down in order to grind it. So I'll show you. I'm gonna grind this pepper into here. So, some pepper there. That's good. And then I'm gonna cut in the lime and squeeze the lime in there as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze in the lime here. Decent amount of lime. Let's say probably this whole lime possible. And then just add the cilantro and mix, and then set it in the fridge to marinate until ready to use. I basically just squeezed on the lime in, added the cilantro on top, and now I'm just gonna mix it. And then once it's thoroughly mixed, I'm gonna close up the lid and put it in the refrigerator until reuse. Okay, this is my completed Pico de Gallo, or tomato salsa if you call it. Gonna refrigerate now, just gonna cover it with a lid and then put in the fridge or refrigerate.